What's up everybody, Steve here. BPO, it stands for Broker's Price Opinion, and essentially it's an opinion of value of a specific piece of real estate performed by a real estate agent or a real estate broker. Now a BPO is created by analyzing the subject property as well as usually 3 good active comparables as well as 3 good sold comparables in order to arrive at fair market valuation. You see, lending institutions utilize BPOs for a variety of reasons. One reason is maybe a bulk mortgage sell-off where the new investor of that mortgage or those mortgages want to get a good idea of the value of the property compared to the debt on each property. Also, BPOs are utilized in pre-foreclosures, foreclosures, as well as short sale scenarios. Now, broker price opinions are a great way for real estate agents to hone in on their real estate valuation skills. But more importantly, it's a great way for real estate agents to make side income or make this a full-time gig. If you're a real estate agent or you're thinking about getting into real estate and BPOs are of interest, I got another video on how you can make $100 a day doing BPO assignments. And now if you're serious about doing broker price opinions, I also created a course called BPO Pros where we go into extreme detail on the BPO process, how to get BPO assignments and so forth. I'll also put a link down for you guys below so you can read more about that. As always, I hope you guys gained some valuable information out of this short video. And if you guys like more about real estate investing, personal finance, and financial freedom, this is what this channel is all about. So if you do like those things, consider subscribing. And if you like this video, I appreciate a big thumbs up. And thanks a lot for being here.